keep coming very slowly. You got like 4 more feet left. All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. So by the way I'm dressed, I'm sure you already know where I am, but right there in the back you can see the jet ski and my brother unloading it. But today is the day, guys. We get to see if this thing floats, which I'm pretty confident it will. The damage was not that bad, but it's gonna be first time in the water with this jet ski. It's gonna be my first time riding on a jet ski, so this is just some crazy stuff. Let's go ahead, let's get this thing unloaded. Then I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna park this car up there in the parking lot right over there, and then I'm gonna walk back barefoot because I don't want to wear my shoes. This looks super good. The water's great today. That's like the most generic thing people say, but the water is great today, and the sun's out, you know, it's cloudy skies, everything. I know the exposure is a bit weird out there right now, but I'm super excited. So let's go ahead, get this thing unloaded and go for a spin. Dude, this thing works. It's crazy. We're kind of just hovering right now. We haven't started doing anything here. It's just drifting around. If the audio or the camera quality looks a little bit different, it's a bit weird. It's because I have like a protective cover over the phone right now with the camera. Oh yeah, you're supposed to do that. Oh shoot. All right, here we go. Oh snap. It's creating like a mini wake right now.
All right, I just confirmed sport mode. Hold on to the handle.
I'm holding on to.
Oh, you got it?
Yeah. Oh snap! Oh! Oh my god! Let's see how that repair is holding up. Oh dude, that's perfect. Dude, where are we though? It's like a beach. We can make like sandcastles here, just like old times. Oh, that looks so sick in the water. All right, let's head back. Alright guys, so that's all we're gonna do for today. We're gonna go ahead, get this thing loaded up. We're actually gonna be here tomorrow to camping the night. So I'll go ahead and I'll see you guys tomorrow in the morning. Alright, well, it is the next day. Got the sea.doo right there, and we just came onto this pirate island where we discovered this secret treasure. I wasn't expecting. Oh, I just stepped in something sharp. We're not wearing shoes up here. We were on the water. I got you.
It's good.
It's good?
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, that crack is pretty big though.